بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, little boys and girls. I hope you'll be fine and you will be happy. This is your English class, and as you know, we have started exercise of unit number 3. So this is page number 34. Page number 34, I'll talk about reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun के बारे में मैंने आज पढ़ना है. तो reflexive pronoun क्या है? जमा है तो हम जमा लगाएंगे, ठीक है. Ourselves, we ourselves, we don't have to go out, we can fix dinner ourselves. So the action of subject and object are the same. Number 2, we wanted to impress her friend, so she baked a cake herself, ठीक है. The action of herself comes on she, so this is the right answer. You are going to have to drive, so yourself to school today, so the action of yourself comes back on you, so this is the right answer. They are too young to go out by themselves, so the action of themselves come back on them and they're plural, so therefore themselves is the right answer. Dad and I painted the trailer, ठीक है. तो ये जो है ये सही आंसर है. दिस इज़ द राइट आंसर, ourselves, because Dad and I painted the trailer. This is another topic. The title of this topic is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. हमने reflexive pronoun के बारे में पढ़ा. अब हम indefinite pronoun के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Indefinite pronoun क्या होता है? Indefinite pronoun don't stand for any particular person or thing. They refer to person or things in a general way. Reflexive pronoun जो है कहते हैं कि we use indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns के बारे में कहते हैं कि we use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. We use pronouns ending in body or one for people and pronouns ending in thing for things. ये किसी ख़ास शख्स या चीज़ के बारे में इशारा नहीं करते, उसकी बात को जो है वो एक आम अंदाज से करते हैं, ठीक है ना. उसको हम कहते हैं इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन. तो कहते हैं कि बॉड जिसके आखिर में एंडिंग में बी और डी वाई या वन लगाते हैं वो लोगों के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, और थिंग और थिंग्स जो है वो चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. चार्ट में आप देख सकते हैं समबडी, एनीबडी, नोबडी, एवरीबडी, someone, anyone, no one, everyone. These are used for people. Something, anything, nothing, everything. These are used for things. ठीक है. Example: somebody ate my sandwich. No one wants to hear about my health problems. These are the examples. Now this is exercise. Choose the correct indefinite pronouns to complete each sentence. इसमें सही का इंतखाब करना है और उसका बबल जो है उसको फिल करना है. So can play the game as long as they follow the rules. Everybody can play, right? So everybody, ये जो है इसका पता नहीं लग रहा कि everybody कौन है, लेकिन इसकी बात को एक आम अंदाज से बयान की गई है. Everybody can play the game as long as they follow the rules. This is the right answer. This is blank and came forward to admit the crime, so the whole class was punished. No one came forward to admit the crime, so the whole class was punished. This no one is the right answer for question number 2. This is question number 3. Although it could have happened to anyone. Anyone is the right answer. It happened to me. Although it could have happened to anyone, it happened to me. This is the right answer. Walked past the window and shouted. Someone walked past the window and shouted. Someone is the right answer. Number 5, I really just needed some time away from everyone. Everyone is the right answer. Good. Number 6, F, anyone cared about her, they certainly had an odd way of showing it. Anyone is the right answer for this question. I was told not to worry and that everything would be taken care of. So the right answer is everything. The last is anyone available to babysit for me on Tuesday? This is the right answer. Anyone. Dear students, I hope you understood today's lesson. Keep watching our videos. Stay happy and healthy up to next lecture.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.